You're doing good? In this video, I will be showing you how to make blanket designs on Printify. Once on Printify.com, from here you can tap on Start for free and you could create an account. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Catalog in the top left-hand corner. After you have tapped on Catalog, you will be redirected to this page. Keep in mind you can select the store that you would like to add your design to by going over to the left-hand menu option, right where you see Test Store on my dashboard. You could tap right there and you could select the store that you would like to add it to. Whether it is an Etsy store or you would like to add it, for example, to a Shopify store, you could do that. All you'll need to do is tap on Add a New Store, and from there you can select the platform that you would like to add it to. Once you have done that, you could tap on Search for Products at the top right here, and from here we could type in blanket. So let's do that real quick. So you can type in blanket real quick. After you have done that, you can see different blanket options that you can choose from. So you can decide the style that you would want. Let's say, for example, we were to select the best seller. And also you can see the target market you can choose from. So we are going to select best seller. After tapping on best seller, you are going to simply scroll down. Then you are going to tap on Start Designing. After tapping on Start Designing, you will be redirected to this dashboard. From here, you have a few options. For example, you could tap on Upload and you could upload your design. For example, let's say you were to go onto canva.com, you could create a design, or you could go onto Fiverr or any one of those freelancing platform and you could pay someone to create a design for you. If you don't want to do that, I would recommend that you go onto Canva and you could create a free design that you can add, or you can use one of their pre-made designs by tapping on graphics. You can choose one of their pre-made designs right here. For this example, I'll quickly be going into Canva, and from here I'm just going to type in blanket logo. So let's do that real quick and see what it comes up with. After doing that, you can see different logos right here that you can choose from. For this example, I'll simply tap on graphics from the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you can select whichever one of these you would like to use. So for example, I'm going to simply tap on this one right here. And then from there, you can adjust the size by simply pulling along the box. So you can adjust the size as you can see right there. Once it is to your liking, all you need to do is tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After doing that, you'll be redirected to the mockup page. Once on the mockup page, you can see the different mockups that you can select from. So I'm going to be using this one and I'm going to tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Publish, it will be pushed to your store. Once it has been published on your store, you'll be able to view it by tapping on Visit Store in the top right hand corner right here, or you can tap on the three dots here and you can tap on See in Store. So let me do that real quick and you can see my blanket design right here. So this is how it looks at the moment, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.